beautiful day. This ride is basically like Batman on steroids. Love this ride.
This ride could end me. Like, it's so good.
And we're in the back row. I'm gonna black out.
Oh, fun fact for everyone. I guess the video can hear this too, but they have like a $39 tour now where they do like Cheetah's Hunt and Cobra's Curse backstage, and you get to go on the block rig of Montu. It's only $39.
Do they have spaces today?
I know.
Can we go?
You guys, maybe, yeah, we can check.
Let's find out.
Because I really want to do it.
Alright, here we go!
Oh my god, that thing was running today.
That was way smoother than I remember. I didn't
More
black out.
intense than usual.
God, it was
My toes are a little tingly, but I didn't knock around a lot, so.
That was flying. That was my
Y'all gotta sit on this edge today at one point.
Alright.
definitely. My feet are tingling for how much the blood was rushing down.
I feel the
Until next time, y'all.
See ya. Like, comment, subscribe.